bring your vision to life, a vision board could help you with it. Welcome to day 4 of the Transform 365 challenge. Today, we are going to take your vision and goals to the next level by creating a vision board. A vision board is a powerful tool to keep you inspired and focused. Start by gathering images, quotes, or anything that represents your goal. You could make this vision board a physical one or a digital one. Whatever you want, whatever works for you. If you have a physical vision board, you can place it right in front of you so that you can be inspired by it every day. And if you make a digital one, don't forget to make 2 versions to use as wallpaper both on your phone as well as your laptop or desktop. Start by gathering images, quotes, or anything that represents the goals and dreams for the year. These could be photos of places that you want to visit, or affirmations that motivate you, or even symbols like if you are aiming to study further, then a picture of a diploma, a running medal if you are planning to run a marathon, or maybe a cozy home office if that is your goal. If you're making a physical one, go old school, like gather magazines and scissors, glue, and create a physical board. You can even look up the images online, get them printed, and then cut them out and paste them. The key is to make it personal and meaningful, something that should excite you every time you see it. And once your vision board is ready, don't forget to place it somewhere where you look at it every single day. My vision board is right in front of me over here. The digital version of it is the wallpaper on my laptop as well as on my phone. This daily reminder helps you stay connected with your goals and take inspired action. Take a picture of your vision board and share it with us using the hashtag Transform365. I can't wait to see what you create. And if you're struggling with how to create a vision board, I'm linking a tutorial on how to create a vision board that I found very useful.